Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, welcome back to Unfold Tech. Nowadays, during quarantine, everyone needs a faster PC and a laptop. But if you're a Mac user, sorry, this video is not for you. But if you're a Windows user, you have come to the right place. Thank you. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to boost your Windows 10 speed. At first, you have to change your battery options. Click on this battery icon, and if yours is on best battery life, drag it to best performance. Okay, and let's give the system a refresh. Okay, so now that's your first step. So the second step is you have to change your battery options, battery settings and power options. So again, you have to go to settings, then go to settings, then click on system, then click on power and sleep, click on additional power settings, and then choose create power plan. Click on high performance, click next, and let's create this performance. Okay, so this plan is made and now your PC is on high performance. Okay, then you can just close these all tabs and just refresh. Okay, so now this third step is you want to close all the unwanted startup programs. So first you need to go to task manager, read the full screen it. Now just go to startup, then click on, so just click on the unwanted software you want, like Cisco WebEx, and I don't want it to start up when I start my computer. So you click on Cisco WebEx meeting, then you click disable. There you go, it's disabled. But when it's Microsoft Corporation, don't disable it because it might be important. And that's it. So now we can close these tabs. Let's refresh. So now the next step is you want to delete all the unwanted software. So first we need to go to settings again, go to apps, and now you can see that there are lots of unwanted softwares, Anki, and I don't want many of these. So what I can do is click on the thing I don't want, the program that I don't want, and click on install. There you go, gets uninstalled, eases your computer. So now you can refresh, and so the fifth step is you want to clean your temporary files, like delete all of them. So first go to settings, go to storage, system, then storage. And now you can on the storage sense, meaning it can automatically free up space by deleting all the temporary files. Okay, so now just click on this temporary file, then let it load. Okay, so now you can choose which all files you don't want. I don't want, I need thumbnails, I need temporary internet files, I do not want recycle bin files. Then you can click remove files, and now you have removed all the unwanted and temporary files. There you go, and now you have lots of space left in your computer. Okay, now you can close these files tabs, and now third step, the sixth step is always look for updates, because if you don't get updates, your PC is lagging and it's slow. So go to settings, then updates and security, and click check on updates every time. So let us give that a check. Okay, it's up to date. You can close that, refresh. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And guys, please subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.